Hello students, today we are going to read the sixth topic from our EVS textbook. This is page number 27. The name of the lesson is How Our Body Works. Our body is a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful machine, machine, machine. Each part of our body does some work. We all have a head, H-E-A-D, head, a neck, N-E-C-K, neck, two hands, H-A-N-D-S, hands, and legs, L-E-G-S, legs, and many more parts. Our face has two eyes, E-Y-E-S, eyes, two ears, E-A-R-S, ears, one nose, N-O-S-E, nose, and a mouth, M-O-U-T-H, mouth. Our mouth has two lips and a tongue, T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. There are many teeth fixed on our two jaws, J-A-W-S, jaws. So here in the picture you can see the parts of the face. My face. Here you can see hair, ear, cheek, mouth, chin, head, eyes, nose, and lips. So our body has many parts. Our body has two types of organs, O-R-G-A-N-S, organs. External organs, E-X-T-E-R-N-A-L, external, O-R-G-A-N-S, organs, and internal organs, I-N-T-E-R-N-A-L, internal, O-R-G-A-N-S, organs, internal organs. We have read about external organs in class 1. Now let us know about some internal organs of our body. Internal organs. There are many important, I-M-P-O-R-T-A-N-T, important organs inside our body. They are called internal organs. We cannot see them. They work all the time. Heart, H-E-A-R-T, heart. B-R-A-I-N, brain. S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach. And L-U-N-G-S, lungs, are some internal organs. Now we will read about all these internal organs. B-R-A-I-N, brain. Brain is inside our head. It helps us to think, learn, and remember. R-E-M-E-M-B-E-R, remember. It controls, C-O-N-T-R-O-L-S, controls all the organs of our body. So here you can see, where is the brain located? It is inside our head. The second internal organ is heart, H-E-A-R-T, heart. Keep your hand on the left side of your chest, C-H-E-S-T, chest. Do you feel something beating like a drum? Yes, it is your heart. It pumps blood to all parts of the body. So, here you can see how the heart looks like. Page number 28. LUNGS, lungs. Keep your hand on your chest and take a deep breath. BREATH, breath. What do you feel? Your chest swells. SWELLS, swells. When you breathe in, air comes into the two lungs, 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 inside your chest, 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 and when you breathe, BREATHE, breathe out, air goes out of your lungs through, THROUGH, through the nose. The lungs work like two air bags. So here you can see the picture of lungs. Lungs take in oxygen, 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 and give out carbon dioxide, CARBON, carbon, DIOXIDE, dioxide, during breathing, BREATHING, breathing. The next internal organ is stomach, STOMACH, stomach. Where does the food go after we eat and swallow? SWALLOW, swallow it. It goes into our stomach, STOMACH, stomach. Stomach digests, DIGESTS, digests the food, that is, changes the complex, COMPLEX, complex food into simple, SIMPLE, simple substances, SUBSTANCES, substances we eat. The next is bones and muscles, BONES, bones, and MUSCLES, muscles. Our body is made up of bones and muscles. They work together, 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 to make us move, 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 RUN, run, and PLAY, play. So here you can see the picture showing the muscles of our body, and here you can see the bones that are inside our body. Our body needs FOOD, food, and WATER, water. It also needs some exercise, 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 to keep fit. Our body needs rest, 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 after work. All parts of our body work well when we take proper, 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 CARE, care of them. So our body will work well if we have good food, if we exercise daily, and if we take enough sleep. Our body will become healthy and it will help us to do various works. So students, this was the lesson. You try to read it on your own.